All right, let's talk through this one. So you have a sum. That is, remember what this little symbol means. It's the sum of the numbers in this sequence that starts at 2 and ends at 5. All right, so we have to calculate those terms. So I can start by plugging in. I can make myself a little table here. So when n is 2, what do I get for the value of my sequence? Well, I just have to plug in 2 into the sequence above. So I'd have 2 plus 1 squared times 2 minus 3. All right, so that's 3 squared times negative 1, which is 9 times negative 1, which is negative 9. So when n is 2, my output is negative 9. Now I've just got to find 3, 4, and 5, and then I'll add those together. I'll do that real quickly here. If you want to try it again on your own, pause the video, come back and see what I have. Okay, so I've got kind of all my work here. I'll talk through it really quickly here. I found out each of the terms. So when n was 3, I got 0. When n was 4, I got 25, and when n was 5, I got 72, and I just have those listed here. And remember that this symbol, this summation symbol, means find the sum of those terms. So I just add those terms together, and I get my sum of 88.